Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Sago, also known as tapioca puros, are pretty much tasteless. They are mainly used in desserts and drinks solely for their soft, gummy textures. However, in order to achieve those textures, the cooking process is critical. Ideally, when it is cooked, the sago should be translucent and not mushy. Let's move on to see how. Sago is actually tapioca starch rolled into small bits. As such, it will dissolve in water, so do not wash or rinse the sago before cooking. Instead, add the sago directly to hot boiling water. So it is cooked immediately to form a gel-like shell around the outside to prevent it from dissolving. Also use a little more water so it doesn't stick together as it expands when it absorbs water. As a reference, I used 1.5 liters of water to boil 80 grams of sago. Boil it for about 8 minutes uncovered on medium heat. Stir occasionally to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. After 8 minutes, the sago is partially cooked. Outside is translucent, while the center is white. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it continue to cook with the residual heat for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, the entire sago should be translucent. So don't boil the sago straight to its translucent state as it can turn too soft and become mushy. Use residual heat. Drain off the hot water and soak it in an ice bath to start the cooking process. Cooked sago will continue to expand, soften, and eventually lose its gummy texture in syrup or water. So drain off any excess water and store it in a covered container. Add in the syrup half to an hour before serving. Now let's prepare the sweet potatoes and syrup. 2 to 3 small sweet potatoes of different colors, roughly about 300 grams. Peel, clean, and dice into small cubes. Add enough water to just cover the sweet potatoes. Bring it to a boil and then simmer for 20 minutes or until it gets softened. If there's too much water in the sweet potatoes after cooking, you can drain off some of the water so it doesn't dilute the milk we're adding now. Add in 1 can of 400 milliliter coconut milk. Then add an equal amount of whole milk, about 65 grams of rock sugar. Bring to a boil again and simmer until the rock sugar dissolves. As I have mentioned earlier, cooked sago continues to expand in water or syrup, so sago is added in the syrup just before you are ready to eat, or else it will thicken over time as I will show you later. Sago that has been cooked and stored in the fridge is going to pack tightly together. So add some of the syrup to the sago to loosen it up first, then pour everything in the sweet potato syrup. Bring it to a boil again and turn off the heat immediately. Over time, the sago expands in size as it absorbs the syrup. It's therefore crucial to know when to add sago in the syrup to achieve the desired consistency and texture. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.